students feeling like first year में हो गया था तो यहाँ पे भी हो जाएगा and all those things. It's your wish. You can try it. Definitely, you will face some issue during the term work as well as in the internal assessment test. Because by hook or crook, you have to face with me. You have to give the internal assessment test, whatever it may be. I am the boss of this subject, no one else. In the previous semester, there was a two faculties that myself and Tina ma'am was there. That time, that is, no one was boss. There was a two boss, but here I'm the only. From 0 to 1, I'm the boss, and if I see such a kind of attendance during the lectures, during these things, then it is not acceptable. We also required the holiday, but the university not declared or the college not declared. So इसमें मेरी गलती थोड़ी है. इसमें बाकी लोग, आप सबको अगर आपको छुट्टी चाहिए था या एनीथिंग चाहिए था, यू हैव टू कॉल विद द प्रिंसिपल सर और कैंपस डायरेक्टर सर एंड आस्क डायरेक्टली दैट इज कि सर हमारा छुट्टी है, हमारा छुट्टी क्यों गया वेस्ट गया, बिकॉज हमको भी गिनी चुनी छुट्टी मिलती है. होप ऑलरेडी यू पीपल अवेयर. Now coming to the next problem, because I am not feeling good while saying that is only 25 students from the 39, or 39 में से सिर्फ 25 students present है in a class. So this is really pathetic. So coming to the first numerical, hope the screen is visible to everyone and the voice is also audible. Now writing the first numerical, you have to just see to it that already we solved in the last lecture. There was one numerical. Both what term was a cosine function. Here we have to tackle the problems on the basis of इनवर्स ऑफ लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म बाय यूजिंग कन्वोल्यूशन. एक न्यूमेरिकल आपको दिया था मैंने सॉल्व करने के लिए. होप आप लोगों ने सॉल्व किया होगा. कुछ ने तो उसी दिन आंसर बताया था, बट बाकी लोगों ने ट्राई तो जरूर किया होगा. So we have to calculate the next numerical is here 1 upon s minus 1 s square plus 4 s square plus 4. Now we have to write the solution of this part. Now see to it that the solution of this part will be, we have to divide this part into two, we have to divide this function into two functions. Already you people aware about these things कि किस तरह किया गया था previously, if you remember. So I'm just taking that is a Laplace. This is my first function, so writing f1 of s is equal to 1 upon s minus 1, and f2 of s, which is equal to 1 upon s square plus 4. So this is two function we have seen here, s square plus 4. Now we have to simplify or sort out these things so that you will see the result, or you have to evaluate this function. So f1 of s, or what will be the Laplace inverse of f1 of s, we have to write here. So e raised to t only here, or we can write here that is e raised to t, because s minus 1 is there. If you have to calculate the Laplace transform of e raised to t, you will getting 1 upon s minus 1. And Laplace inverse of f2 of s, what should I write? Anyone can comment on this part. What will be the Laplace inverse of f2 of s?
1 by 2 sine 2t.
So we have to take 1 by 2 here. 2 say multiply, 2 say divide. So the remaining part will be Laplace inverse of 2 upon s square plus 4. If I'm not wrong. This is a Laplace transform of what? we can see that Laplace transform of sine 2t here. So we are, while taking the inverse of this part, you will getting sine 2t. So Laplace inverse of f2 of s, which is equal to 1 by 2 into sine of 2t. Hope everyone clear with this parts, how we tackle this numerical. मतलब यहाँ तक स्टेप सभी को समझ में आया होगा. Now the next work will be Laplace inverse of f1 of s into f2 of s. That is integral s to 0 to infinity, 0 to t, not 0 to infinity. I'm sorry, 0 to t. Now there are two function. So I'm taking this is t minus u in the second function. So I'm writing here that is e raised to u into sine of 2, that is t minus u. If you remember the formula of convolution, 1 by 2 है तो 1 by 2 I'm writing here directly into du. So just wait. I think Aniket sir want to speak something with you people regarding tomorrow event. कल के जो event है, so he will join. So after that, definitely we will discuss. So you have to listen properly. Please don't leave the meet. So when Aniket sir will join, definitely we'll stop and we'll discuss. So till now we have to solve this numerical. Now you can see that 1 by 2 integral 0 to t e raised to u into sine of 2 into t minus u. So we have to simplify this part properly. So I'm just writing this result as 1 by 2 integral 0 to t. If you remember the formula of sine of minus theta, you aware that is minus of sine theta, sine of minus theta, that is minus. So I'm just writing this part as minus 1 by 2 integral 0 to t, just see to it that 0 to t e raised to u into sine of, hope ये स्टेप सभी को क्लियर होगा, that is sine of 2 as it is u minus of t into du, if I'm not wrong. We just taken that is a minus of this part because sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So hope clear with this parts. Now coming to the next part or next step we have to perform here. Anyone can comment on this part, that is what should be our next part, or आगे हम क्या कर सकते हैं. Anyone? और if you remember, ऑलरेडी मैंने लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म में एक फॉर्मूला बताया था, इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स ऑफ और इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e raised to ax into sine of bx. Can anyone tell me the formula of this part into dx? That is equal to 1 by a square plus b square into a into sine of bx minus b into cos of bx, and this will be the result. So according to this, we have to utilize this formula. So according to this, minus 1 by 2 as it is minus 1 by 2 as it is. I'm taking the square bracket. See to it that with respect to you have to solve. So with respect to, if you want, you can consider this is 2u minus 2t, to अंदर multiply कर दोगे, it will be a same. Now 1 by a square plus b square, so a means 1 here, and what will be this here, that is you can see that is a 2u, मतलब यहाँ पे जो ये u के साथ है जो टर्म, that is your a, and यहाँ पे जो u के साथ टर्म है, that is equal to, as we can say that, b. So a square means 1 square plus that is a 2 square, that is 4. So I'm just writing here that is 1 by 5. 1 by 5, because the variable सिर्फ और सिर्फ u है. Please try to understand, t is not your variable, and into a into sorry, मैंने एक चीज लिखना भूल गया. That part I missed in a formula, but no one noticed. E raised to ax. So I have to write this part here also. E raised to u into. Now a into means 1 into sine of 2 into u minus t, minus that is a b is what, your 2u. So I'm just writing here minus 2 into cos of 2 into u minus t. Hope I'm clear with this parts. If anyone having any doubts or any query with regarding this integration, please ask. I'm waiting if anyone having any queries, because now the result is very near, and we will finish within 2 or 3 steps maximum. Till now I think Anikets are not joined yet, so we will finish with this problem. Anyone having any doubts regarding this, please comment in a chat box, or either you can speak up. It's your responsibility, that is, at least you should be clear, and you have to just let me aware about that if you have any queries or any doubts regarding any problems. प्रदीप बेन, सुमित कुमार, सूरज, दीपेश, कनिष्का शर्मा, कोई डाउट होगा तो पूछो आप लोग. मैं किसी का नाम सबका नहीं ले पाया, लेकिन जो जो मुझे स्क्रीन पे दिखे उनका नाम मैंने लिया. प्लीज be attentive in a class, my dear students. Now coming to the next, we have to substitute the upper minus lower limit here. So the upper minus lower limit will be 1 by 2, sorry, minus 1 by 2 into, see to it that you have to substitute e raised to t by 5 as it is, e raised to t by 5 as it is. Substituting here, t minus t 0 and sine 0 is by default 0. So I'm substituting properly. You have to just see to it that first I'm substituting the upper limit 0 and substituting t here. So t minus t is 0, cos 0 is by default 1. So we have to substitute minus 2 here. This is my upper limit, minus substituting lower limit. So substituting at the place of u is 0. So sine of minus 2t. So we can write minus of sine of 2t, if I'm not wrong. Here substituting at the place of 0, you will getting cos of minus 2t, but cos of minus theta we can write as cos theta. So we have to get that is minus 2 into cos of 2t. This because of this minus here, and इसके angle में जो minus था, that part we have to consider as a plus, but here in the angle of sine we have to write minus. So this is the result we are getting after this substituting the upper limit minus lower limit. Now coming to the final part, you can just see to it that e raised to t by 5 with all the terms, you can multiply with this part. So you can see that minus 2 into this and e raised to t minus minus, मतलब ये सभी terms ये वाले part आपके प्लस हो जाएंगे, लेकिन बाहर एक और माइनस साइन है, वो फिर से उनको माइनस कर देगा. तो आई एम राइटिंग द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस पार्ट एज e raised to t by 5, because 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is multiply with minus 2, minus minus get cancelled. So this part's now here minus, we can take common, minus minus this part plus, and this minus again you will getting minus e raised to t by 10, e raised to t by 10 into minus of or into sine of 2t plus 2 into cos of 2t. And this is our final result of convolution. So hope everyone clear with this parts. किसी को अगर डाउट हो, कुछ क्वेरी हो, तो you can ask directly. आप माइक ऑन कर सकते हो, या आप क्या आपका you can say that कमेंट कर सकते हो चैट बॉक्स में. I'm giving one example, expecting the students definitely try to solve that example. शायद नहीं होगा सॉल्व, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल टैकल. मैंने कहा शायद, हाँ, नहीं तो बोलोगे सर पहले ही डिमोटिवेट कर चुके हैं. शायद इसलिए बोला कि थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा लास्ट में होगी. तो फोर्थ नंबर न्यूमेरिकल, आई थिंक the numerical is clearly stated that 1 upon, oh sorry, s square upon s square plus a square and s square plus b square. Come on, start fast. Convolution. And if any queries are there, you can ask directly with me. Yes, Aniket sir, you can go ahead.
Khan sir.
Yes sir.
Good afternoon, Khan sir. Good afternoon, students. I hope you're doing well. I'll just take 2 minutes of yours, not more than that. As you know, Tantrotsav is held on day after tomorrow, and we have got total 3 events proposed from first year. We still think that you are from first year because you just have gone to the third semester. So we expect that you guys do participate enthusiastically. And for that, just 2 events we have kept only for SC students. So you'll not face any competition from higher semesters. So we still have the deadline by today end to register. So I'll request you guys to participate at least in 2 events. That is technical extempo, that's called Texpor, and the technical quiz, that is Tech Quiz, Tech Q. There's one more event, that is technical poster presentation, and there you'll face competition from higher semesters. But if you're creative enough, there should not be any problem. So it's again a request to all of you to do participate enthusiastically. If you have any doubts, you can give me a call after your lectures are over, or we can chat on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much, and all the best. Khan sir, thank you so much. I would leave.
Yeah, thank you sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hope the message is clear. That is, you should have to participate in Tantra Utsav. That is our intra-college event or technical event we can consider, because due to in a pandemic, the offline event or the physically events are not possible. So we try to maintain the same things, the same technical level to the students. So we always create an event like Tantra Utsav. It's a really technical event. You should participate, because you can just see to it that थोड़ा activity होना चाहिए. Engineering is not like you have to study and study. थोड़ा उससे हट के थोड़ा सा एक्टिविटी, टेक्निकल थिंग्स अगर परफॉर्म करोगे डेफिनेटली आपको वो काम आता है. So please try to solve this numerical. And even I also request all the students from my classes, SEIT, you should participate in at least 2 events. 2 इवेंट में तो कर लो पार्टिसिपेट. थोड़ा वक्त निकल जाएगा यार, कम से कम पूरा सेमेस्टर खाली टीचिंग लर्निंग से कम से कम थोड़ा एक दिन तो थोड़ा अलग चीज़ करो. सेकेंड थिंग दैट इज आई थिंक आप लोगों ने मैसेज देखा होगा SEIT के ग्रुप पे. मैम ने मैसेज पुट किया आपके HOD मैम ने, जो सॉरी IT डिपार्टमेंट के. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज मेक अ नोट दैट वी आर commencing our add-on course on mathematical modeling. इफ यू रिमेंबर, क्या पता डिलीट कर दिया होगा किसी ने या नहीं देखा होगा, बट मैं मुझे दिख रहा है इसलिए मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ. द एड ऑन कोर्स ऑन मैथमेटिक्स comprises of statistics, linear algebra, and probability, which serve as the foundation in data science and machine learning. तो ये चीज़ मैं बता दूं आपको. Those who are interested to learn such a thing, because it is a practical based mathematical modeling, or we can say that it is a practical based. It's not about we can say that you have to solve the numericals and you have to solve the papers and all the stuff. It is a practical thing. You have to learn the mathematical things theoretically, but you have to deliver that things on practical, like Python, as well as in statistics, like Excel, as well as SQL or etc. There are various softwares which we used for compiling the data, as well as visualize the data, demonstrations, and all the stuff. So the concept the mathematics faculty is going to deliver, and the practical things or hands-on things will be delivered by the data science branch faculty, or we can say that is a computer branch or IT branch faculty. So those who are interested, they can join. Is a free of cost, nothing. You have to just sit for extra hours. I think it's near about 24 to 30 hours course is there. At the last, you are not going to get a certificate directly. या आप बैठे मोबाइल ऑन कर दिए एंड ऑल द थिंग्स. द लास्ट देयर इज अ वी कैन से दैट इज अ एक प्रोजेक्ट बेसिस रहेगा, या वी कैन से दैट इज अ लाइव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. यू हैव टू सिक्योर अ स्कोर. मतलब उसमें ऐसा है कि 50% या जो भी क्राइटेरिया रहेगा वो आपको बताएंगे व्हेन द कोर्स इज स्टार्टेड. उसमें आपको बताया जाएगा कि दैट इज कैलकुलेशन क्या है सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आपने इनरोल कर लिया, आप बैठ गए and you will get the certificate. So please try to understand this thing. उसके लिए क्राइटेरिया है. I will also teach, Chobe sir will teach, Tina ma'am, Namini ma'am, सब लोग. There are I think 4 modules will be there. हर एक मॉड्यूल एक फैकल्टी टीच करेगा. उसके ऊपर डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस, अब सभी चीज़ें दिखाई जाएंगी. जिसका हो जाएगा प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. The answer is A into sine 80 minus B into sine BT, the whole divided by A square minus B square. answer will be, I'm writing here the answer of this part. A into sine of 80 minus B into sine of BT divided by A square minus B square. This is the result we are getting. Just try to adjust the stuffs. एडजस्ट करो प्रदीप बेन, कुछ थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हुआ होगा आपसे, देखो अच्छे से चेक करो. Hope I think while substituting the upper limit minus lower limit, I'm just writing upper limit minus lower limit वाला स्टेप. होप ये तो सबको मिला होगा cos AT और cos BT. एक को आपने cos AU बनाया होगा, दूसरे को cos of BT minus U लिखा होगा, फिर 1/2 मतलब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई 2 से डिवाइड करके डिफैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्मूला करके इंटीग्रेट किया होगा. तो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग द इंटीग्रेटिंग पार्ट डायरेक्टली. प्लीज ट्राई टू सी हियर. अगर मेरे से मिस्टेक होता है तो प्लीज कमेंट. So you can just see that 1/2 sine of, or I can say right here that is A minus B sine of A minus B U plus BT upon A minus B. या ऐसा उसको ब्रेक कर दिए होंगे तो भी ये मिला होगा. प्लस साइन ऑफ A प्लस B U minus of BT upon A plus B, and limit point as it is 0 to t. Hope I'm right correct with this part. If anyone having any queries regarding, मैंने इंटीग्रेशन डायरेक्ट लिखा है जो इंटीग्रेट करके आपको मिला होगा. Now see, while substituting the upper minus lower limit, you will getting पहला t रख दो तो at the place of t, so you can see that AT minus BT, BT get cancel, and you are getting sine of AT upon A minus B. Now you can see that substituting here upper limit, sine of AT upon A plus B हो जाएगा आपका, तो प्लस साइन ऑफ AT अपॉन A प्लस B हो गया. नाउ लोअर लिमिट का माइनस साइन हाथ में रखो, जीरो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, ये पूरा जीरो हो जाएगा. साइन ऑफ BT, तो माइनस साइन ऑफ BT वी कैन राइट, तो माइनस साइन ऑफ BT upon A minus B. 0 we have to substitute here. Sine of minus theta minus this part will be plus, और प्लस होने के साथ इसको लिख दूंगा प्लस साइन ऑफ BT upon A plus B. So hope these things are clear to everyone. अभी क्या करना है, अभी तो आंसर जो बोला हूँ उससे आ ही जाएगा, खाली थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफिकेशन you have to just follow it. A minus B here, so A square minus B square यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So you can just see to it that A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square, and A minus B A plus B. You have to just see to it that properly the terms, otherwise फिर वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. So according to that I am just writing here, just see to it that, hope किसी को डाउट नहीं हो, अगर डाउट होगा तो definitely I will explain. A plus B A plus B plus A minus B, A plus B A minus B into sine of AT upon A square minus B square, and the next one will be plus sign. I'm just writing here and writing A minus B minus A minus B into sine of BT upon A square minus B square. Now the things are clear. You can just see to that B get cancelled, 2A, here you can see that a get cancel, minus 2b, minus 2b 2, यहाँ से कॉमन का 2 get cancel and you will get the same result. क्लियर है सभी को या किसी को डाउट है ये प्रॉब्लम में? या रोशन लोअर लिमिट पुट करना भूल गए तो प्लीज ट्राई टू see to it that the problem must be clear cut. Now today I am going to stop here 50 minutes earlier because एक न्यूमेरिकल लेना है, उसका लेंथ थोड़ा लंबा है, इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स है पूरा, थोड़ा u⁵ होगा. तो in next lecture just wait, I am just taking the attendance. Next time से ना I will put the Monday as a tutorial day next week, because ये 3:15 का lecture is not a good sign of lecture. Seriously, I'm not interested to take that